All right, guys. We're doing another trade recap of the day. Took another W today, so that's that. First things first. Start on the 4 hour. Now, obviously, the yesterday we had that whole DeepSeek AI thing. So I was expecting. Well, I didn't know if honestly it was gonna keep going down, but once I saw started moving up, I was pretty bullish on the day, and obviously that drop down created a humongous imbalance. So I was already bullish that price would move toward this imbalance and probably fill it in the equilibrium level. So let's go into the hourly. And I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. So on the hourly, I got on the charts about 9, like pretty much exactly 9:30. Now on the hourly, you can see this, it swept this liquidity. Now I'll go into that a little later. But this was one of my targets. I wanted to see price come down. And when I was looking at it, I'll show you guys. It's easier to see on the 15 minute. All right, so I was looking at price here, and it was coming down. And originally, I thought it was going to sweep this liquidity right here, but it kept moving down, and then it took this liquidity, which is the hourly liquidity that I just showed you guys. And then this was the low, but yeah, it came down. You guys could see it took hourly liquidity. Boom, and then it also dropped into equilibrium level of this range. But yeah, a market open. I was on the 5 minute. And yeah, oh shit. Damn, I don't know what I just did. I think it was like here. I don't remember. Something like that. But anyways, so yeah, it came down, took liquidity, and then started moving up. Now I wanted to see it fill this 5 minute fair value gap and see if it would keep going up or move down. And then it completely invalidated this fair value gap and inversed it. But there was another one, so I want to see if that one would be filled. On the 15 minute, we didn't really have hold up. We didn't really have much. But yeah, the 5 minute, both of the fair value gaps were inversed, which is why well, I drew. I don't know if it was on the 1 minute. It might have been on the 1 minute. All right, yeah, there we go. So I drew this little blue circle here, which you can see is 1 minute fair value gap. At this here, I'll zoom in for you guys. So at this candle close right here, this bullish candle, obviously we can see it inverse the 1 minute fair value gap, right? So I guess I could have entered a position here. The only reason I didn't was because I was a little bit nervous that obviously we know higher time frame holds higher power. I was a little bit nervous that it was going to take this liquidity and go down and fill this and then just keep it moving down. Because obviously you could see on the 15 minute that it caused a 15 minute imbalance. But had we taken that, had we, God, bro, this shit's so annoying. Sorry guys. But anyways, dude, like, what is going on? All right, there we are. All right, yeah. Had we entered, obviously we would have banged a lot of profit, but we didn't, and prices keep moving up. I thought this would be a liquidity sweep. Hence, I actually just said that. I just realized that. But price came up. I I thought this was a liquidity sweep here. So damn, bro, this shit is so annoying. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, really. But yeah, price came up, and I thought this was a liquidity sweep of these highs on the 1 minute right here. So I entered a short off that. I'm not gonna lie, I did enter a short, and we were in about we were in a good amount of profit. I should have closed it after I saw this fair value gap be filled. And once I saw that, I reversed my position and I set my take profits. The original take profits of the day all got hit. This was the first one, second, third, fourth, and this is the final. Actually, no, this one was the final. But yeah, they all got hit. I just didn't enter until after like the fourth take profit. So we should have entered off of this inverse like I originally thought to enter off of, but I was nervous of losing money and I didn't, which is not good since, I guess it was emotional. But, anyways, yeah, so I entered off of this where I got filled, entered, I don't remember, somewhere, or I reversed my position somewhere over here and we hit first take profit, or that was my only take profit for the day. Actually, I closed all my positions there. Now, obviously, I had to close them there because I had to go to class. If I was still home, I would have taken off partials and then I would have let it ride to my final take profit, which you could see got hit, which we set at. Where do we even set that? Okay, we set the final take profit at this high and at the start of this imbalance. So obviously, we should have. Well, if I had more time, I would have held. But we did make a decent amount of profit today, even though we entered a short trade first. So yeah, overall Green Day. That's about it for today. Not really much. The price action was very good today, though. I should have stuck with my I guess rules, if you want to call it that, and I should have entered off that inverse fair value gap because from what I've seen, usually a big fair value gap, a significant one gets inverse, then price will usually go in that direction. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys find this video informative. That's about it. If I trade tomorrow, I'll do another one.